Alright, chat. I'm back. It's been a while, but I'm back. I've been busy working on these bad boys. But anyway, so listen. I've got to drop a song named Guapi. We're not even going to run up, but chatting. We're just going to go into the song. So forward.
Guapi shoes for me jeans, that's right. Guapi everything so they treat them right.
Kartel, but don't let them AI something, Yeah, man. Come out to that video, man. Tell the truth. But anyway, forward. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
My shirt fit me well.
Nah.
Your girl say me litty. We are running city. Clothes clean, style wicked. Goddamn, I'm litty.
Yo, me nah lie, no. That's sick, Yo, Kartel flow is just unstoppable. Unfreaking stoppable. This is really a alien brain, man, brother.
This how we're. Guapi over here, Guapi over there. This how we're. Guapi everywhere. Get the food quickly.
The whole Jamaica soon in a Guapi now.
Use up your brain, school chicken. Teacher, Louis Vex with me. Show them Guapi and fit me. From me a little bit me. You know my style, I go like a world quickly. I saw really hard man section. World boss, every day we different. Your girl say me litty. We are like the city. Clothes clean, style wicked.
Goddamn, I'm litty.
Goddamn, I'm litty. This how we're. Guapi over here, Guapi over there. This how we're. Guapi everywhere. Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school chicken. Teacher, Louis Vex with me. Show them Guapi and fit me. Guapi shoes for me jeans, that's right. Guapi everything so they treat them right. Your girlfriend I say me sneakers nice. Pants and me shirt fit me well.
Nah. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. We're not even a to pull up the song. We just run through it.
Your girl I say me litty. We are running city. Clothes clean, style wicked. Goddamn, I'm litty. This how we're. Guapi over here, Guapi over there. This how we're. Guapi everywhere. Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school chicken. Teacher, Louis Vex with me.
Kartel, where you get 2 mic from? You know, say not edit the AI something there properly.
Show them Guapi and fit me. This how we're. Guapi over here, Guapi over there. This how we're. Guapi everywhere. Get the food quickly. Use up your brain, school chicken. Teacher, Louis Vex with me. Show them Guapi and fit me. This how we're. Guapi over here, Guapi over there. This how we're. Guapi everywhere.
Alright, that was the end of the song. No. We give the song a 10 out of 10 because this is something that we needed in dancehall. We need something that could show and express music in a different form other than chopping, scamming, drugs, and all of that. We needed something that could make people feel good about themselves, That long time style of dancehall where you can say, when Jersey did a rock and fitted cap, white jeans and fitted, and then, Clarks. And that's how Vybz Kartel separate himself from the dancehall diaspora and this put him in a class by himself because Vybz Kartel show creativity. Vybz Kartel show say, I'm gonna use the mouse here and I'm gonna create a song and a whole topic around it. And that's what Vybz Kartel is good for. A lot of people who know music know that Vybz Kartel is good for that. Vybz Kartel can impersonate an item and make that item popular. Cake soap, all of that. You see me? Vybz Kartel is doing well. Vybz Kartel is he's trying his hardest to put Jamaica back on the map when it comes to dancehall music. You understand? Because right now we really don't have a lot of people who are produce a lot of reggae songs and all of that. And we need that. We need that raw reggae music where we promote love for women, love for children, and just peace and unity. You see me? I'm glad to Vybz Kartel come and take up dancehall in hand. You see me? But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. We don't stay too long. Remember, hit the like button, the subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this song. Soon in the next one.